goes to Sanju Samson. Three consecutive half centuries. And Sanju will collect his awards again from Mr. Abdul Rahman Al Takir, Managing Director, Aramco Asia, India. Over 320 runs at an average of 80, a strike rate of nearly 200 for Sanju Samson. Sanju, what does this moment feel like for you?
It feels like a dream. Actually, very, very happy, very grateful. Out of words, out of emotions, I'm just going through it, so it's a bit surreal.
And to come up with these performances in what was a virtual quarter-final against the West Indies, then a semi-final half-century, and the final here today, the biggest stage of them all, thought process?
But to be very honest, I think, sir, that this started 1 to 2 years before, when I was with the 2024 World Cup winning team in West Indies. I couldn't play a game. I kept on visualizing, I kept on dreaming, I kept on working. This is exactly what I wanted to do then. I thought I need to put in so much of work that this is exactly what I wanted to achieve. And by God's grace, I think today things have turned around. I think right after the New Zealand series, I was broke. I was completely out of my mind. I was like, okay, my dreams have shattered. Okay, what else can I do? But God had different plans. I think I suddenly came back into the crucial games and I did what I could for my country. So I think I'm very proud and very happy that I was courageous enough to dream about it. And actually, things have turned up so nicely for me. So very grateful.
And the conditions out there and your stroke play, what pleased you on reflection now about the way that you batted out there today?
Yes, sir. I think to be very honest, a lot of guidance and suggestions from our senior players in the former Indian team have really reached out to me and they tried to help me out. But I think from last couple of months, I think I hope I can share it here. I think I have been in constant touch with Sachin sir. I think Sachin Tendulkar sir. I think when I was sitting outside in Australia, I was not playing a game. So I thought about, okay, what is the mindset required of now? So I reached out to sir and I had huge, big conversations with him. And right yesterday also he called me up to check how am I feeling. So I think getting a guidance from someone like him, what more can I ask for? I think that clarity, that game preparation, that game awareness, that game sense, I think I'm very grateful for everyone who supported me.
And this takes you forward now. Are there more things that Sanju Samson wants to achieve finally?
Yeah, sir, I think, but this itself is very big for me. I need to enjoy it right now, and then I think after a few days we'll figure out what next to do.
Thank you very much for your time, Sanju.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on your excellence.
Thank you.